Hello everyone, I am Shankar from E2E Mentorship Program. In this video, we will be discussing introduction to Java programming. So let's get started. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle Corporation in 1995. It was designed to be platform independent, meaning that Java program can run on any device or operating system that has a Java virtual machine installed. This characteristic, along with its robustness, security feature, and ease of use, has made Java one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Java is used for mobile application, especially Android apps, desktop application, web server and application server, games, database connection. What is Java? Java is an object-oriented language, meaning it models real-world entities as objects with data and function. Platform independent. Java program can run on any device that has a Java virtual machine, making it platform independent. Let's go deeper into object-oriented and platform independent. Object orientation is the way of looking at this world as a collection of objects. In this world, no object is completely useless. All objects are in contact interaction with each other. Orientation means perspective. Perspective means the way of looking at something. Let's take an example of glass of water and try to understand in better way. Here, chemist will think half liquid and half gas, but drunkard will think it's alcohol. And Java developer will think it is a object. Optimist will think it's a half full. And realist will think it's just a glass of water. And pessimist will think half empty. While having their own perspective to look at something. Before getting into the platform independent, first let's understand what is platform. Platform is a combination of hardware and software. Hardware mostly refer to a microprocessor and software mostly refer to a operating system. The combination of microprocessor and OS is called platform. Example for platform. i5 is a processor and Windows 10 is an OS. This is platform. And i3 is a processor and Mac is an OS. This is platform. And i3 is a processor and Unix is an OS. This is platform. Let us understand platform dependency with different scenarios. In case 1, the program development process involves two critical phases, that is compilation and execution. During compilation, the code is converted into a computer executable format. In the execution phase, the compiled code is run to generate the expected results. However, in traditional programming language like C are platform dependent, meaning that the platform used for both compilation and execution must be the same for the code to work correctly. In the above case, the programming language that is considered is C, and the platform of compilation and execution are identical. Code executes successfully. In case 2, in a scenario where two computers are connected using a local area network, that is LAN connection, It is possible to transfer data from one computer to another. If computer 1 is executed a program and produce an output, one might wonder if it is possible to obtain the same output by providing a copy of the machine level language code to a computer 2. The answer to this question is yes. In this case, the two computers share the same platform. In case 3, when computer 1 has a Windows operating system and computer 2 has a Linux operating system, it is not possible to execute machine level language code on computer 2. This is because the platform of the two computers are different. In this case, the code may not execute correctly on computer 2 due to the difference in system architecture between the two platforms. Therefore, it is essential that the operating system used for compilation and the operating system used for execution must be the same in order to avoid platform dependency issues. Failure of platform-dependent programming language. In the figure, it shows that the compilation happening on different operating system and execution happening on different operating system. In computer 2 and computer 3, the platform of compilation and platform of execution is different. So the execution fails because of usage of platform dependent programming language. Now let us understand platform independency in Java. Definition. Platform independency in Java refers to the ability of Java program to execute on any platform without the need for recompilation. Flexibility. This feature allows developers to write code once and run it on any device, whether it is computer, mobile phone, or other digital device. Explanation of platform independency with an example. Code development. Developers write Java code on a Windows machine. Execution. The same code can executed on a Mac or Linux machine without any modification. Diverse device. It can also be run on various devices such as smartphone and tablets. Java achieves platform independency. Java designed its own compiler called Java Compiler, which converts high-level language into bytecodes. This bytecode is given to Java Virtual Machine, which convert it to machine-level language. Working of platform independency. Java source code undergoes compilation to create bytecode, which is platform independent format. That is neither high level nor machine level code. To execute the bytecode, a platform dependent Java virtual machine is required to convert it into machine level code. As such, to run a Java program on a particular operating system, a compatible JVM for that system must be installed. This methodology enables Java to achieve platform independency by using bytecode as a intermediate code. Advantage of learning Java. First, wide range of application. Java is used in a multitude of applications from mobile app and web development to enterprise system and scientific computing. High demand in the job market. Professionals with Java skill are highly sought after and can find employment in diverse industries. Strong community support. Java has a vast community of developers providing resources, support, and opportunity for collaboration. Features of Java. Portability. Java. Write once, run anywhere. capability allow it to run on any system with a Java virtual machine. Security. It provides a secure environment with its built-in security feature protecting system from harmful viruses and malware. And multi-threading. Support multi-threading, allowing concurrent execution of multiple threads, maximize the utilization of CPU. Introduction to Java software and installation. When diving into the world of Java, understanding the software needed and their installation process is crucial. This sets the foundation for developing the running Java application efficiently. Understanding JDK, JRE, and JVM. JDK, Java Development Kit. The JDK is a software development kit used to develop a Java application. It includes JRE, an interpreter, loader, compiler, an archiver, or documentation generator, and other tools needed for Java development. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. JRE is an implementation of the Java virtual machine that actually executes Java programs. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. JVM is a virtual machine that enables a computer to run Java programs and ensure that Java programs are executed identically on different systems. So guys, here is necessary step to write and run your first Java code in your system. So follow these all steps carefully and you will be able to write your first Java code in your system. So guys, after setting up all the necessary environment in your system, let's create our first project. So open your Eclipse, go to your file, new Java project and give here project name. I am giving here hello world and just click on next. After go to your hello world project what you created now only and right click your src, go to new package, give the package name. I'm giving here world and finish it. So after right click on your world, that is package, new class and give a class name. I'm giving here hello world and you should must remember that the class first letter of class should be in uppercase. So he and so you were wondering about what is package, class, and public static void when. So once you go deeper in Java, you will get to know. So for right now, just this is a signature. So just give here hello world and save it. Go to your right click and go to run as and Java application. Here you will see hello world. So guys, we we run our first Java code. So congratulations.